Hey there, this is Neil from Semantic, and I wanted to talk to you about guide number 9 in our series of website wins guides. And these are all to drive results for your website. The focus being to help fix some of the basics, to help you learn and develop your skills, and to help you optimize your website and try things you might not have thought about before. So guide 9 is the power of psychology, and we've split it down into 3 areas. Psychology is one of our favorite topics at Semantic. Obviously it's massive. You can go off and do whole degrees on psychology and spend your whole life doing experiments and testing and trying different things and seeing how humans respond to it. It's all fascinating, but what we try and do is distill it down to the bits that are really, really important for your marketing to help lift the performance of your site. And actually that's the first point. So we use this model called the lift model. So if you imagine your page performance like a rocket, you want it to fly as high as possible, like that rocket actually, fly as high as possible. And to do that, you've got your value proposition in the middle. And what we need to do is make that as clear and relevant as possible. So there's a diagram of this in the guide, but really try and look at a page and see, well, is this clear? How relevant would this be to my target audience? And if you can make it clearer and more relevant, then that makes the rocket fly higher. And then equally, pulling the rocket down, you've got all the distractions, and that might be stuff you can control on your site, like ad banners or lots of different links or busy navigation. So they're all kinds of distractions. And then you've also got things that might cause anxiety as well. So whether the pricing is really complicated and it takes a degree to work out how complicated the pricing is and what the real price is. So there's those kind of things. So trying to make things clearer and more relevant, and then reducing the anxieties and distractions, help the rocket fly higher. And then also if you can get some urgency as well injected into the page, so whether that's countdowns or exclusive offers, those kind of things, then that helps give it that boost as well. So take a look at the diagram, print it out. It's really useful. And if you're not sure where to start in terms of working out why a page might not be performing or how to start improving it, then that's a really good place to look at. Go through the page, go through those 5 or 6 different areas and really make sure it's delivering on all of those. So then the second area to look at is the pricing tactics. So there's so many different things. Obviously the psychology of price is, and that is a book in itself. We've put links in the guide, but there's so many areas. So you can do decoy pricing, you can use anchoring where users will take the first price that they see and then kind of inadvertently, subconsciously compare all the other prices to that price. So that can help you kind of shift users to buy slightly more expensive products. You can use kind of countdowns or bundle in free things into packages. So users love the word free. That tends to get them much more excited about things. So say you've got different ticket levels. You've got like a basic one and then a VIP one. You'd want to try and then bundle in some free stuff into the VIP one to make it look even better value. And obviously one of the most powerful psychological tools is upselling and trying to drive more revenue from the customers you've already got. So we've got a whole layout in this guide around what you can do in terms of decoy prices and upselling and anchoring to start your thinking around how to optimize potentially a ticket page or indeed your entire ticketing strategy. That's the beauty of the web. Obviously it's quite flexible. You can try lots of different things really easily and relatively inexpensively, so you can get some data and learnings. So we're coming on to that in the next section of the guides. Anyway, so that's the last guide from the content section of our website wins series. Hopefully you found it useful. I'd love to hear how you got on, so drop us a line and be sure to share this with anyone you might find interesting as well. Thanks very much.